Ditch the scheduling chaos and say hello to streamlined teamwork. Today, we're diving into how to use Google Calendar for effortless employee scheduling. First, create a shared calendar on the left panel. Click the plus sign next to Other Calendars and select Create New Calendar. Name it something like Team Schedule, add a description, and click Create Calendar. Now, let's share it. Go to your new calendar settings by clicking the three dots next to its name and choosing Settings and Sharing under Share with specific people or groups. Add your employees' email addresses and grant them make changes to events permissions so they can add their availability. To schedule an employee, click on the date and time slot on the calendar. Give the event a clear title, like John Morning Shift. Set the correct date and time, and in the description, add any relevant details about the task or responsibilities for that shift. Add the employee's email address as a guest. This is crucial. This sends them a notification about their scheduled shift. Customize notification settings to remind employees of their upcoming shifts. Go back to the calendar settings and under event notifications, you can set up email or pop-up reminders days or hours before the shift. Use color coding to visually differentiate employees and shift types. Click the three dots next to an employee's name on the left panel and choose a color. When you schedule them, the event will appear in that color, making it easy to scan the calendar. And that's it. Google Calendar can revolutionize your employee scheduling, fostering better communication and a more productive work environment. Start scheduling smarter today.